Endive with blue cheese and walnuts. For this easy salad, we need endive, blue cheese, walnuts, cashew, black pepper, milk, and dressing yogurt. Put the bowl on the low fire. Put blue cheese into the bowl. Melt the cheese. Add yogurt, milk. Mix well until smooth. Add pepper and mix. The sauce is ready. Turn off the fire. Mix a bit more and let it cool down. Serve endive petals on the plate. Chop walnuts. Also a bit of cashew. Powder endive with nuts. Put the sauce on the endive. And powder with nuts more. Enjoy it! Bon appetit!